Hello friends, today we'll start differential equations. In mathematics and physics, we call changing entities as variables and the rate of change of one variable with respect to another as derivative. Okay, equations expressing a relationship among these variables and their derivatives are known as differential equations. The differential equations appear in various problems in physics and give mathematical descriptions of physical phenomena. Almost all the elementary and numerous advanced part of theoretical physics are formulated in terms of differential equations. The differential equations sometimes are ordinary differential equations in one variable, or more often the differential equations are partial differential equations. Various methods to solve partial differential equations are discussed in this chapter. Fuchs theorem, Frobenius method for power series, solutions of Legendre, Hermite and Bessel differential equations are also discussed. First, we will discuss types of differential equations. First is types of differential equation. Differential equations. Types of differential equations. Differential equations may be classified into two classes. First is ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equations. Okay. This type of equation involves only one independent variable. Some example of ordinary differential equations are as given below. First is the decay of radioactive substance. The decay of radioactive substance is given by equation dN upon dt is equals to minus lambda n. Second is differential equation of simple harmonic motion SHM is m into d2x by dt square is equals to minus kx, where k is the force constant. Third is the rate of loss of heat Q through a solid metal bar. dq upon dt is equals to Ka into d theta by dx, where A is the area and d theta by dx is the temperature gradient. Fourth is differential equation for series. Fourth is differential equation for series for series LCR circuit. LCR circuit is L into di by dt plus Rr plus Q upon C is equals to E. Where is E is source of electromotive force, L is inductance, C is capacitance and R is resistance. Okay. E is the source of electromotive force, L is the inductance, C is the capacitance and R is the resistance. Second is partial differential equations. Second, partial differential equation. Partial differential equations PDE. Partial differential equations. The differential equations which involve partial derivative of dependent variable with respect to two or more than two independent variables are called the partial differential equations. Okay, partial derivative of dependent variable with respect to two or more than two independent variables are called the partial differential equations. If f is a function, of two independent variables x and y, that is f is equals to f of x y, then d2f by dx square plus d2f by dy square is equals to 0 is partial differential equations. Many of the problems of mathematical physics involve such a partial differential equations. The important partial differential equations are discussed in this next lecture. Okay, thank you.